Hello techies, this is miguelina Betty, aka Catwoman from Tech Valor. And for today's video, we are going to be unboxing some Note7 cases. These cases were donated to us by 10-Minute Tech Reviews. If you don't know who he is, I actually put his YouTube channel down in the description for you guys to check it out. He does great work. He gives out reviews for tech in 10 minutes or less. He sent these cases over to Tech Valor and said that it was okay for us to put it on the site so that we can give away for free. For more information on how you can get your hand on these cases, that will be at the end of the video, so please stay tuned. But for right now, let's check out these goodies he sent over. I hope that you guys enjoyed that little case music video. And again, thank you so much to 10-Minute Tech Reviews for donating those cases over to Tech Valor. In order to get a hand on these cases, we have an incentive program. So all you would need to do is go over to techvalor.net, create an account. Once you do that, you would just need to interact with us on the form. And as you comment on certain posts and create topics, you will rack up Valor points. With those Valor points, you would just head on down over to our gift shop. And in our gift shop, we have various types of rewards. So we have gift cards, electronics, cases. So now we'll just check out the cases. And here we got Note7. And as you scroll down, you'll see all of these wonderful cases that were in the music video. As you can tell, you will rack up Valor points, and this is how much each case is. It varies. And if you guys want to know other types of things that we have on here, I'm just gonna go back. We have some Google Play gift cards here. See, $10 Google Play cards for 100 Valor points. We got a $15 Google Play card for 150 Valor points. And then in the electronics section, we have a wireless USB Wi-Fi adapter. It's pretty powerful, and this is how many Valor points you need in order to get this. As our community grows, we will add more things over to the gift shop. We'd love to have you as a member of our community, so join Tech Valor today. Again, another shout out to 10-Minute Tech Reviews. His information is in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video with others. And while you're here, please subscribe. And as always, stay curious, techies.